Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 5i, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and let's tap on this camera icon right here. As you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo, or you can select a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it, and as you can see right now, you can pick the album from which we would like to pick the photo, and let's find it and tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. Here you have to decide where you want to crop the photo, so you can crop it using the gallery or Google Photos. So let me pick Google Photos, for example. Simply tap on the option you would like to use, tap on OK, and as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and of course the position of it and the position of the photo. And thanks to this, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. What's more, you can zoom in or zoom out the photo just like you want to. Here you can also rotate it, so just set it like you want to, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so let's tap on Save. And it has been set immediately and successfully. So after tapping on the particular contact, you will be able to see this photo, and of course whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Realme 5i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.